Hello and welcome to Creative Angle. And today we're in Birmingham during the Photography and Video 2026 show. So let's dive in. At the moment, me and Anya, we are walking through creators' stages where different themes are being on display and you can take photos in different setups. And I will show you them just now. That's the second day. Now it's time for something to eat. It's nice to go to those talks because you can engage with the creators, engage with speakers and ask them questions, which is really handy, which normally you can't do when you do videos, when you watch videos on YouTube. You can leave a comment, but it's totally different communication when you actually can speak to them face to face and ask questions and get on the spot answers. And behind me, we have NiSi filters, which I'm going to have to visit at some point as I'm looking for a new set of filters. Now it's time for another talk, this time why your videos sound terrible and how to fix it, by Rick Bronze. So another talk, another possibility for engagement with a creator and actually a person who knows what they're talking about. So looking forward to that one as well. Also, every videographer will tell you that sound is 80% of the video. So you need to nail the sound, because people will watch crowd video with good sound, but won't watch brilliant video with really poor sound. So yeah, sound is important. Also, the side note, I'm going to use AI voice isolation for this video because there's a lot of not royalty-free music in the background. So basically, I'm quite wary about copyright strikes, especially on YouTube. I can tell you right now, it's absolutely great and worth coming to the photography and video show in Birmingham next year in London. It's amazing how networking, especially with established video creators, content creators, photographers, people who do print, people who do automotive, how networking with them, how exchanging ideas, how exchanging your opinions, listen to them, going to their talks, as well as the seminars, how great it is, how it boosts your confidence, how it boosts my confidence. And I know what I need to do now. I need to do more and more stuff I love to do instead of being a potato couch person. I need to go out with the camera, with the gimbal. I bought myself a set of filters, NEC filters, a true color NEC filters. So I don't need to be worried about any color shift or any kind of weird vignetting when filming, especially in automotive, because it's very, very important to have a proper and a correct color reproduction in the video. Especially when you do color grading, you don't want to have your color to be shifting from left to right. And I have that issue just now. With my current filters, I'm going to be selling them. Still good filters, but not for what I need them for. Anyway, it's good to talk to people. I've just been to 4 hours of Pro Forum talking to various people, listen to their speeches, and learning from them, learning new tricks, learning the old tricks, which I didn't know. Tomorrow is the day 2 of Pro Forum, which I'm gonna attend as well. The Pro Forum is not free. It's a 15 quid for 1 day and 25 quid for 2 days. But it's money well spent when you can actually speak to people and learn from people who do content creation, do videography, do photography on daily basis, and learn from them. Ask them questions, get in touch with them via LinkedIn, via Instagram, via any other social media platform. It's very, very encouraging. The photography and video show is packed with different companies, and obviously you can go and try Canon cameras, Canon lenses, Nikon cameras, Nikon lenses, and obviously my Sony cameras and Sony lenses, as well as Fuji on Olympus. So all the big dogs, all the big players in the industry, they're here. You can try the lens on your own camera, like I did. You can try playing with the camera, and I played with Nikon ZR, the camera aimed at videographers, so competition to Sony FX line. But to be fair, no matter the marketing jargon, no matter the other BS, the Sony FX3 is still the king, and I can't wait to Sony FX3 Mark II to come out anytime, next year, this year, doesn't matter. I've been waiting patiently for 5 years to buy an FX3. Now, since the rumors start circulating about FX2, I'm gonna wait for that. FX3 Mark II, not FX2. Nonetheless, it's worth coming into the show. It's worth networking. It's worth speaking to the exhibitors, asking about the products. We're interested in printing photos. On the back of conversation about printers and printing photos, it's nice to chat and actually ask and source directly face to face, not via email, nor via chat, not via a YouTube channel or whatever, and talk to people who sell and also manufacture the paper for printing, and ask them about the nuances between dye printing and pigment printing, which paper is better for which type of photography, all that stuff. All it is very, very important that networking during the show is top-notch. I haven't done YouTube for so long. It's so nerve-wracking to walk with the camera and talk to the camera. It's unreal. Question is, will I buy A7 V tomorrow or not? Because it's £400 off from the original price. No, £300. Possibly tomorrow might be cheaper, might not be cheaper. We'll see. If it's go down again, I will consider it. I will seriously consider it. It would be very nice to have such a back wall at home. Elevate your alpha game. The choice of creators. I like this game. I actually like this game. I can tell you right now that from the perspective of buying gear, coming into the photography and video show is a bang-on decision. If you get free access like me, like a professor, that's fine. If you want to buy gear, you can find some amazing deals during the photography and video show. It doesn't really matter if it's Birmingham or London. Deals are ridiculous. Some cameras are discounted by 300, 400, 500, 600 pounds. Even the FX3 is now at 2,999. A7R5, it's 2,499 pounds. The deals are mad. Even if you don't want to buy any gear, it is definitely worth coming in. I'm absolutely blown away. Absolutely stonking deals today on the third day of the show. Sony FX3 Mark I, available from £2,499. Same as Sony Alpha 5, available for £2,499. Even A9 III, it's available for £5,499, something like that. So also £500 or £600 off. And the 16 to 35 G Master second generation is £300 off at $1,899. Absolutely ridiculous prices of the show just now. If next year, if you have a chance, you definitely need to go to the show and buy yourself gear. Don't count on a Black Friday, Cyber Monday thing. Show is where you're gonna get the best deals for the gear. So save up and spend all your money on a photography and video show. Absolutely stonking deals. As I'm coming back to videography, being in the front of the lens, vlogging, doing content creation and things like that, hopefully you'll resonate with my wild personality, quirky personality. I keep forgetting things, and can dive into deep dive into stuff, videography. So I'm learning videography as well. I'm not a beginner, I'm an intermediate. I want to be a pro soon. So this channel, all these videos will be more or less about videography and photography, as those two fields I would like to be really good at. So follow me if you want to see more content videography wise and photography wise. And I'm not even afraid of people looking at me. I'm slightly in a quieter place just now, so I can record this video. Today, been on pro workshops, amazing. Once again, it's amazing how you can, and how many things you can learn from content creators and fellow videographers who are already established in the industry. It's absolutely groundbreaking how many questions you can ask face to face and get answers straight away. So I can tell you right now, if you have a chance next year to go to London Photography and Video Show 2027, it's worth every single penny, so definitely try that. Also, one more thing, show prices. The last price on the FX3 was £2,249. No, I didn't bought it. I went for the DJI Mavic 4 Pro Creators Combo. This was £500 off. Let's expect more videos, more photos. I'll keep my A7 IV for now. There are some rumors A7 FX3 Mark II coming this year. I can't tell you from where I got this info, but it is high chance of getting that camera. And what else? Not a lot of filming today, but it's worth every single minute spent during the show here in Birmingham to connect with fellow content creators, videographers, photographers, to learn new skills and to actually talk about gear without explaining every single time what you're talking about to the person who doesn't know what you're talking about. Nonetheless, if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're new to it, as this is a new channel. Please help me to boost the algorithm and spread the word about my channel to a wider audience. That's all for today. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Cheers!